Rode out on a little island out here in the middle of the river. We're gonna cross back across to there. Got a couple little spots, not really deep, but the current's swift. The horses get their legs sucked out. We got the video on just because it might be a little episode of cold water swimming. Y'all told y'all to stay up to the left. I told you to stay up to the left. I said, stay up to the left. Always got to be one. It ain't that bad. Well, good. Y'all go swimming later. Woo! Awesome.